Well, as you can see, I am not in my normal location. That's because I'm working on a few things. Say hi to the kitty. I am now in, today is Sunday, December 9th. I'm in Kitchener, Ontario, working on a few things. Next week's video will have more information. Yes, I'm back. I took a couple weeks off to deal with some stuff. And let's just get right into the next video. Okay, so today we are making flourless hot cocoa cookies. As you can tell by the name of it, there's no flour in this, so if you or someone you know is allergic to wheat or has a gluten sensitivity, these cookies are perfect. So let's get going. Right in the bowl, excuse me, we have half a cup of cocoa and half a cup of sugar, which I've stirred and mixed together, and about a half a teaspoon of salt. To this we are going to add 2 cups of icing sugar. We're just going to put that in there, and we're going to give this a stir to stir it all together. Okay, stir it together just like so. To this we're going to add 3 egg whites. In the egg whites I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add those in like so and stir. Stir it together. Now, next, about 1 cup of mini marshmallows. As you can see, I'm using the fruit flavored ones. By all means, if you want to use the regular white marshmallows, go ahead. You're not going to offend me. I'm using the fruit ones because this is what I have on hand. And then we're just going to gently fold that in. So that's what it's going to look like. You basically want to coat all the marshmallows, and then we're going to use this, just a spoon. I used to scrape off the spatula, and we're going to put dollops onto some parchment paper, a cookie sheet, and lightly sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray. Just like so. Now, place them into a preheated 350-degree oven for anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. If they expand and touch like those two are doing, that's okay. We'll just break them apart when they come out of the oven. Okay, so the cookies expanded a heck of a lot bigger than what I thought they would, which is fine because I'll just cut these into chunks anyway. So I don't know if you want to call this a fail or whatever, but it doesn't bother me, and I know it's not going to bother the people who I made them for. So that's it. These are flourless hot cocoa cookies with marshmallows. Should taste just like a cup of hot chocolate in your mouth. Have fun. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.